Let's break down the top 5 bed rails brought to you by Rehabmart.com. Starting us off at number 5 is the tool-free, adjustable-length home-style bed rail system from Drive Medical. The home-style falls right in the middle of all the bed rails on this list when it comes to pricing. The system is spring-loaded, requires no tools for installation, and can be adjusted to have rail lengths of 37, 43, or 57 inches. That said, some customers were disappointed that the Drive home-style bed rail is only available in one color. Next up at number 4 is the Universal Halo Safety Ring from the Comfort Company. Featuring a unique circular design, the Halo Safety Ring gives customers with concerns of entrapment a sense of freedom. The Halo provides multiple grip options and has an impressive 1,000-pound weight capacity. As the most expensive rail system on this list, the Halo Safety Ring isn't going to be for all customers, especially since it may not be compatible with all beds. Snagging the number 3 slot is the Wide Safety Folding Side Bed Rail from Stander. Weighing in at only 12 pounds, with the ability to be folded out of the way when not in use, the Wide Safety Bed Rail is both discreet and portable. The 30-inch rails have a solid weight capacity of 400 pounds and feature pockets for easy item storage. While the 23-inch height of the rails provide a high level of security, they may be a bit too restrictive for some customers. Coming in at number 2 is the BedRail Advantage Portable Bedside Safety Handle. As the cheapest bed rail system on our list, the Advantage Safety Handle provides value and stability with its non-slip cushioned handles. Its low-profile, non-institutional design and included safety strap make it an inconspicuous addition to any home or professional environment. Some customers may find assembly to be a bit difficult, but these bed rails deliver a lot when it comes to value and functionality. Finally, our pick for the number 1 slot goes to the Easy Length Adjustable Bed Assist Rail from Stander. Not only does the Easy Length bed rail offer the ability to adjust its length between 26, 34, and 42 inches, but it also has the ability to be folded away when not in use. Its low-profile design can transition from full bed coverage to half bed coverage, providing both assistance getting in bed and security while sleeping.